everyone, my name is Julie. So this is my coffee. This is the coffee I make when I'm going to school, especially when I don't have as much time. It's literally it takes me like 3 minutes to make it. So I learned how to make this by the it's super simple. It's literally milk, coffee, like literally like plain old ice, and a secret ingredient which I'll tell you in a little bit, which makes the whole coffee come together. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is that I usually like to do the ice first. And I usually use this container because it's like super easy to take and travel, and it doesn't spill, which is the best part. Next thing you're gonna want a spoon, a plain old spoon. I personally don't like to have a heavy drink, but it really depends on how much you want it. You can make it as strong or as not strong as you want. I usually start off with a little bit of like this. Okay, you're gonna grab water. Okay, and the water is basically the starter off. So you're gonna start the water off. And then you can use milk. It is actually 2% milk, but you can substitute it to almond milk if you're not like a big milk fan. And it tastes really good with almond milk, so don't be fooled. And you fill it up. To me, I use the color of the coffee to tell when it's enough milk. So once we're all done mixing, and the mixing is a really important part because you don't want coffee to be stuck in the middle. I feel a plain coffee like this tastes gross. It is not good. So I went to find, I don't really like sweeteners and stuff like that, but I found one that was, to me, is the best sweetener I've ever bought, which is the 0-calorie sweet-made sweeteners. This stuff is so good, and it's 0 calories, which is the best part. So I usually grab about 2 or 3. It depends on how much you want. Like, I'm very a sweet kind of gal, so like I usually use 3. Bada bing, bada boom, you got coffee and you ain't sleeping in the morning.